been chasing the sun since I was 10 years old. Felt the heat rise on my skin, and I've been on the run from the dark and cold since I've been letting people in. Ooh, these limbs are swollen. Ooh, as long as I am rolling and keep my feet touched down on the ground. Here, take my lead. If you're taking my hand, better watch what you buy and sell. We've been jumping the rooftops and the tight ropes and trees, 'cause we figure that we might as well go and make a living. Hope that all will be forgiven when our feet touch down on the ground. When the sun goes down, bring the whiskey in your walking shoes. We can move through the desert with its thorns and nails, but we'll be moving any way we choose. My heart's a wandering vessel, but even I can recognize the thresholds and keep my feet touched down on the ground.